I don't always feel that way about myself. My life encompasses a lot of responsibilities that are pulling on me, like my friends at school, my parents, my social activities, my brother, and just plain on me. People seem to think just because I'm like, I'm gonna use your age, 3, 4, 5, 6, sometimes a kid's life can be hectic, right? I don't really like referring to myself as a kid because I'm double-digit in age. Preteen adult sounds great if you know what I mean. But sometimes, when all the noise stops, I sit back and I wonder, what do people really think about me? I say that I don't care, but I really do. We all do care for real. Okay, so my mom has all these demands on me. I have to clean my room, do the dishes, walk the dog, and do other miscellaneous activities she wants me to do. Don't get me wrong, I love my mom, but she gets on my last nerve. Everything has to be done the way she wants it to be done, or guess what? Have to do it all over again until she is satisfied. Okay, so don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about. And I know I say, okay, so a lot, so what? That's me. Mom says, one day, Tanya, you're going to do things right the first time. I'll let you know when that day comes. Because as for right now, I have to re-clean my room.